Well, that's one of your tips. No, not that one. Down here.
Cut that out.
Fresh ass cut. 421 cut on Instagram. Hit them up. But I just got a notification on my phone. Sheesh. Fire ass wallpaper. But we go down. I forget that I can't zoom in. Okay, I got it. It says a package has shipped. Look, fat ass fingers. I got an exhaust for my girlfriend. Some of you may know that I already got it, but there is no tracking label as of right now. She doesn't know about it, so I'm gonna try to surprise her. Alright, what's up everyone? So today is the day we install my girlfriend's exhaust. I'm just waiting on everyone to come. I don't know what time Angel or Bang is gonna come, but my girlfriend's already heading here and she's on the way. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Ice chai and what'd you get, Minnie?
An iced vanilla latte with oat milk and a little bit of house syrup. Bang just asked me why we went back, but they're gross when they're cold. He's just trying to be considerate. Now his ass isn't getting any.
Sheesh! Alright. Do you want to change into my work clothes? Yeah? Right.
I feel like I'm gonna have like plumber's ass today. Sorry. Okay. Got a big pipe.
Moment of truth. Oh, that's one of your tips. No, not that one. Down here.
Cut that out. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Can I take it out?
You could, or well,
Right,
what Hector likes to do is once they're on, he starts cutting it so that way we're not touching the tips because that's what's in.
Yeah, I don't want your little dirty, grimy hands on it.
There he is.
I was like, is that Angel?
No, that's Bang.
I was like, is that from his car?
Jeez.
What is this?
Your muffler? Oh, you got it.
God, I can never be a mechanic for my life.
Well, there you go. There you go. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just lay down your feet slowly. Lay down your feet. I grabbed it. I'll grab it.
Hector, get that shit, bro.
Hector. Alright.
We did it.
Started up with no exhaust now?
Do it, bro. Do it.
Do it. Do it.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah. You just hold it?
Yeah. There?
These get slipped in.
Can I hold it? What about you?
You have to kind of slip them in. Bring this one down. Bring this one down. And
Bring it down.
there you go. Now let me push it in. Okay, that's the most it can go.
Was it loud before? Like a little bit?
Alright, now you can tell me. Now I'll adjust them.
I don't get it. If I went to a shop and I got things.
It goes down, right?
Huh?
Shot Ace! It's just loud as fuck. It doesn't scare you, bro. The little pops. That's just weak as fuck, huh?
Give it a little rev.
Who wants to see the show? Huh, Ace? Ace!
What?
You want to see the show?
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Who the fuck
I don't
is
think he
it?
wants to move.
Come on, Ace.
ready?
Yeah. Damn, that sounds aggressive.
What do you think?
Damn, all that fuse, brother. Oh.
What do you think, Hector?
Oh, that was loud.
That scared me a little bit.
That scared you?
It's my car.
That's just louder than my car, just on heavy, dude. This one's the
The top one, yeah.
It's this one.
Yeah.
This
No,
is ultimate.
This is ultimate. There is
This one
no.
had like something red on it. Or some shit. Like a red badge. But it's the same one. Is it a cold start now? Nah.
I don't think so because we started it up earlier.
Ready?
I'm ready. Yeah. Oh my! That was nice. I didn't know it popped.
I didn't either.
That's hard.
Bro. That's solid.
That pops louder than mine now.
You need a down part.
You're not the loudest one no more.
Damn, bro.
I'm also not the quietest. I'm also not the quietest either.
Wait, actually, nah, he might be.
Yeah.
He might be.
No.
Yes, dude.
Really?
Nah,
Yeah.
he might be actually.
As I'm looking for restaurants. This little weenie. You're scared because we're gonna hit the canyons for the
Oh
first
my god,
time.
do I go?
Yeah.
Oh my god, don't go.
But we just installed the exhaust as you guys saw. And it doesn't sound too bad in here. Huh.
No, I didn't want it to be like annoying loud.
Yeah. I feel like with the windows rolled down, you're gonna hear a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not that.
Yeah. But let's see how she does in the canyons. I'm not sure if I'll record because I know she doesn't want me to.
10 and 2, right?
I would say give yourself some space. Just kind of a little bit of space. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That sound pretty cool?